Hello, my name is Fire A. Yuma, and in this video I will demonstrate 4 things on Windows Server. 1. How to view active network port. 2. How to select 2 ports and explain what they are used for. 3. How to view running services and choose 2 network related services. 4. How to create a firewall rules for port 50,000 and how to create a schedule task to check for Windows updates daily. By doing this, I'll firstly open firewall. I'll firstly open or display all active and listening ports on my server. Before I do this, let me go to Fire. Let me go to PowerShell. Click here, select PowerShell. I want it to run as administrator. I want for PowerShell to run as administrator. So I have to go back because I want it to run as administrator. So what I will do, I will right click. Okay, here is PowerShell. I right click. So it's a run as administrator. So here they asking me question. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I say yes. Okay. So PowerShell open. PowerShell has just opened. So PowerShell has just opened. Open PowerShell and I'm about to type this command. So as you can see, all the ports are running. All the ports are running and listening. See here. So for this assignment, I will be looking at port 445 and port 135. Port 445 we also knowing as SMB. Port 445 is used by the SMB protocol, which means server message block. This port is responsible for file sharing, printer sharing, and communication between Windows computers. Without port 445, share folders and many network services could not work. So I'll move to the next port. I'm about to talk about port 135. Port 135 is also known as RPC. I also selected port 135 because it is used by RPC, which is remote procedure call. RPC allows Windows services to communicate with each other. It is required for remote management, Active Directory, and many Windows Server operations. Next, I will show running services. So I will tap here, service mask. Okay, so as you can see here, to show all running services. So as you can see here, all the services that are running here is clearly shown here. As you can see in this video, seeing all the services that are running here. All these services that you are seeing here, they are all, as you can see, the services that are running. These are all the services on server that are running. Let's go to the next part of the assignment that say, you must choose two network related services. I selected two services related to network. One is DHCP client. So I'm about to run this command to see this service registers the IP address of the computer and updates DNS record. It helps the system to get an IP address from a DHCP server. As you can see here, this service catches DNS lookup, which makes name resolution faster. So that's for DHCP client. So to the next one is DNS client. So I'll have to put in a command prompt. So this is DNS client. This client is running, right? And this service catches DNS lookup, which makes name resolution faster. These services are important because they help the server communicate on the network. Next step I'm about to go to is creating firewall rules for port 50,000. Next, I will create a firewall rules that allowed inbound and outbound TCP traffic on port 50,000. Instead of using PowerShell, I will use Windows firewall setting because my PowerShell does not have administration permission. Inbound. Before doing it, I had to go to Windows Defender. So I'm about to go to Windows Defender. Windows firewall, right? Windows firewall setting. So in other words, we say Windows Defender, right? So click on so it open here. As you can see on the left side, you see inbound rules, you see outbound rules, right? So I will start with the inbound rules first. So I'll click on inbound rule. So as you can see, the inbound rules drop down here. So I'll come here to create new rules. So create new rules. I will click on port. When I click on port, I'll click next. If I click on next, I have to click on TCP. TCP is already clicked and perceive it is correct. So all I need to do here to tap 50,000. So my keyboard is not functioning, so I'll use the on-screen keyboard. So I've tapped 5,500,000. You see, this is 50,000. Then I will click next. So I click next, right? So it already to allow connection. So allow connection, I will go to next. Here, as you can see, everything is checked here: domain, private, public, net, everything is checked. So I will click next again. So when I click next, so my inbound name, or the name that will allow TCP inbound, so that's the name I'm about to give it. So I'll go to my on screen keyboard. Okay, as you can see here, so I'm about to finish this route. Here my inbound rules, I can return it or off by right clicking. Here my inbound rules, I can return it on or off by right clicking and selecting disable rules or enable. So as you can see here, disable rules, I can disable and at the same time enable. So my next mode here is outbound route. So I'll come here and click on it. So I will go to new routes. So I'll kind of pause. I'll go to next. The same stuff. So I'll tap 5,000. So my keyboard here is freezing, so I'll use on-screen keyboard. So as you can see in this video, so I will say allowed. I'll click allowed. The connection, go to next. So as you can see, domain, private, public, go to next again. So my outbound, so I need the keyboard here again.